The world is watching the two biggest economies, the United States and China, locked in a high-stakes trade war. Tariffs are sky-high, tensions are rising, and now, there's a hint of possible negotiations. Chinese exports to the US now face tariffs as high as 245%, with both economies under pressure. China's Commerce Ministry says it's open to talks, but only if the US corrects its wrong practices. Meanwhile, Trump says talks are underway, which Beijing denies. A Chinese state-linked Weibo post said, "The US is the anxious one. It's a classic game of chicken. Neither Trump nor Xi wants to be the first to flinch." Publicly initiating talks could look like weakness, and neither leader is willing to take that risk. Both leaders need to deliver a win for their domestic audiences, and that means looking strong. So instead of clear communication, both sides are using constructive ambiguity, vague language to claim victory without giving in. Talks may already be happening behind closed doors, with each side saving face while buying time. But in this standoff of pride and power, the world still waits to see who blinks first.